We at Amace Solutions are very excited to be a part of the EMO Hannover show this year happening in September 2025. EMO attracts a large set of visitors. Being one of the largest manufacturing and machine tool show, has a lot of visitors coming into the exhibition, and we plan to interact with them, explore opportunities for mutual collaboration and business together along with the visitors who will be coming to the show this year. We also have our experts who will be present at the show, with whom members can interact, understand and explore what specific aspect of metal 3D printing can be used for their application in their own manufacturing setup. Additive manufacturing is growing at a good rapid rate in India. There's India being one of the largest manufacturers through the conventional process. Additive is also gaining a lot of traction right now in India. We are at a smaller base right now, but the opportunity to grow is growing significantly. There are manufacturers continuously exploring converting their conventional processes into additive, largely leveraging on some of the key strengths that additive has to offer to manufacturers in India. Some of the highlights of the demonstration or display at EMO will be compact laser powder bed fusion machine. We call it as STLR 120. So we'll have the live printing in multiple materials that will be demonstrated during the show. And we also have the components for aerospace, aviation, space, medical, defense, engineering, and many other segments that will be demonstrated at the show. EMO being the largest exhibition, it's a huge platform attracting visitors, and we are very eager to explore possibilities of business collaboration. We welcome dealer partners who are interested in representing us in the European region. We also invite potential customers, manufacturers to come see the demonstration of the technology live happening at the show and see how we can be able to demonstrate the technology suiting your application requirements. We invite all of you to visit us to our booth at EMO 2025 happening this year in Hanover. At Amace, we are not just printing parts, we are enabling possibilities. With cutting-edge metal printing solutions and an agile team, we partner with customers to rethink design, reduce weight, and enhance metal printing performances.